This question here has got mixed numbers. So we have got 2 and 2/3 minus 1 and 6/12 equal something and something 12. Now the question says here there are two ways we can solve this. What are they? Now the first one is we can just, move these elsewhere. So we've got 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. We've then got a calculation like we've just been doing. So 2/3 minus 6/12 equals something 12. So we need to convert our first fraction to have the same denominator. So how do I get from 3 to 12? I multiply it by 4. So that means I must do the same thing to my numerator. So 2 times 4 equals 8. So now I've got 8/12 minus 6/12 equals something over 12. So 8/12 minus 6/12, 8 minus 6 equals 2. So my numerator here would be 2. Put my 1 whole back in. So the first way to work this out would be separating the whole and the fraction as two separate calculations. So 2 and 2/3 minus 1 and 6/12 equal 1 and 2/12. Now the other way you could calculate this is by changing it into improper fractions. So if I convert this, so 2 times 3 is 6, plus my numerator is 8. So 8 over 3 minus, we've got 1 times 12 is 12, plus 6 is 18. So then we've got 18 over 12. Now I still need to make my denominators the same. So I still need to convert 8/3 into 12s. So how do I get from 3 to 12? I multiply it by 4, which means I must also multiply 8 by 4. And 8 times 4 is 32. So we've now got 32/12 minus 18/12 equals something 12. So we're then going to do 32 minus, get rid of this one, so I'll confuse you. 32 minus 18. 32 minus 18 is 14. We can put 14 here. That means we've got 14/12. Now we again need to change this into a mixed number. So 12 into 14, you've got 1 whole and you've got 2 left over. So 1 and 2/12. So we've got the same answer there, but we have calculated it in 2 different ways. Now again, just in case you wanted to simplify your answer a little bit further, you can divide 2 by 2 and 12 by 2 to get it's the same as 1 and 1/6.